stop. Don't translate. Don't think. Just listen, and repeat after me. For the next 5 minutes, you're not studying English. You're training your brain to understand and speak real English naturally. Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just listen carefully and repeat every sentence after me. Stay with me until the very end because today's lesson will help you speak confidently during a real visit to the doctor. Ready? Let's begin. Listen first. Then repeat. Good morning. Good morning. How can I help you today? I have an appointment with Dr. Smith. May I have your full name, please? My name is Alex Johnson. Thank you. May I see your ID, please? Sure. Here you are. Perfect. Please take a seat. The doctor will be with you in a few minutes. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a seat and relax while you wait. Listen. Then repeat. Hello. I'm Dr. Smith. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, doctor. Please come in. Have a seat. Thank you. What brings you in today? I haven't been feeling very well. I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what's been bothering you? I've had a sore throat for 2 days. I've also been coughing a lot. Let's find out what's causing it. Listen, then repeat. Do you have a fever? Yes, I think so. I've been feeling very tired. Do you have a headache? Yes, a little. Are you having trouble sleeping? Yes, I didn't sleep well last night. Have you been drinking enough water? Probably not. Any chest pain? No, just a sore throat and a cough. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly. Listen, then repeat. I'm going to check your temperature. Please open your mouth. Say, ah. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Now breathe out. Your lungs sound clear. Let me check your heartbeat. Everything looks good so far. I think you have a mild viral infection. You'll be feeling better very soon. Don't worry. You're going to be okay. Rock it. Listen, then repeat. The good news is that it's nothing serious. You just need some rest. Drink plenty of water. Get enough sleep every night. Take this medicine twice a day. 1 pill in the morning. And 1 before bedtime. Avoid cold drinks for a few days. If you don't feel better, come back next week. You'll recover soon. Take good care of yourself. Listen, then repeat. Do I need any antibiotics? Not at this time. A viral infection usually gets better on its own. Can I go to work tomorrow? If you feel tired, stay home and rest. How long will it take to recover? About 3 to 5 days. Thank you for explaining everything. You're welcome. Do you have any other questions? No, that's all. Listen, then repeat. Hello, I'd like to pick up my prescription. Sure. May I have your name, please? Here it is. Thank you. Your medicine is ready. Take it after meals. Drink plenty of water. If you notice any side effects, call your doctor. Have a nice day. Get well soon. Thank you very much. Listen, then repeat. I already feel much better. I'm glad I visited the doctor. Now I know what to do. I'll take my medicine on time. I'll drink more water. I'll get plenty of rest. My health is important. I'll take better care of myself. Thank you for your help. I hope to feel completely better soon. Everything will be okay. Fantastic work. You completed today's shadowing practice. If you repeated every sentence, you're improving your listening, pronunciation, and speaking at the same time. Practice this lesson again tomorrow. The more you repeat, the more confident you'll become. Before you go, don't type, done. Instead, go to the comments and type just one word. Fluent. Make that promise to yourself today. I'll see you in the next shadowing English practice. Bye.